Here's an app called Matrix Protect Service. So this is it's one of those VPN apps. So you can just type get. You can just double click to install it, and then there you have this app. Advanced technology to protect your traffic. You can be 100% sure that your connection is protected. Comprehensive protection helps you keeps you anonymous. Fast connection points, professional anonymity, great information verification, complete anonymity, great speed, no delay in viewing content. So there are like a bunch of these VPN apps these days. Try it out as well if you're looking for some alternatives. It doesn't have that many reviews yet, to be honest, but sometimes new apps can offer some really nice deals, or it can be really nice service. They just not known yet. So here you can just add notifications, and then you can try a free trial. There is 3 days free and then $8 per week. So you can try that, and then you just select the location. So here you can see free servers available in United States, France, and Germany. Fast premium service available in UK, Australia, Japan, Canada, Poland, all of these countries. And then you can just tap, and then of course you will watch some ad. And then you just need to allow your VPN configurations. Just tap allow, and you need to enter your passcode, add your VPN configurations into your settings, and then you should be good to go.